Craftsmanship is an art, a dance of precision and dedication. And Samsung engineers are masters, pouring their expertise into creating the Fold display, a meticulous blend of durability and flexibility. Samsung embarked on foldable display research in 2008, and after over a decade of innovation, introduced the first ever Galaxy Z Fold. It was nothing short of revolutionary. With each iteration, this revolution didn't just continue, it soared to unprecedented heights. The Samsung engineers relentlessly pushed the boundaries of technology and refined the foldable display. And now, with the new Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung has taken another giant leap forward. A display is made of multiple layers, and the quality of a foldable display is determined by how those layers come together to ensure flatness and durability. Samsung engineered a brand new shear thickening fluid, which adapts to different types of pressure, and coated it onto the display's protect layer. With this STF coating, they were able to remove some layers while maintaining its durability and improving flatness. The result? Galaxy Z Fold 6. An ultra-slim yet incredibly durable device, setting new standards in foldable technology. This new display is stronger and brighter than ever, which means that it's also optimized for the ultimate gaming experience. The new wiring design minimizes the bezel and maximizes the screen real estate. With brightness boosted up to 2,600 nits, along with Vision Booster, the display automatically adjusts for optimal clarity, even in bright outdoor settings. Galaxy Z Fold 6 also harnesses ray tracing technology for truly lifelike and vivid gaming experience. Samsung is working closely with world-renowned partners to expand Vulkan-optimized games, which helps users run heavy games on Galaxy Z Fold 6 with reduced device load. It's definitely a winner. Listening and responding to user needs, Samsung will continue to advance foldable technology to make displays slimmer, stronger, and brighter.